Hi folks, welcome to another video. This is going to be a very quick one, and this is pretty much for Joey Collins. That ugly bastard there. He's got one arm, but you know, he's still an ugly fucking bald-headed prick. Yeah, he's literally he's literally just put up his toolbox Tuesday, and he was going on about a rivnut. So I'm going to show you how to do a rivnut. Sorry Joey, I've got to do it. Right, so this is a rivnut. This is a cheap one, it's alley, and it basically just squishes. And this is a rivnut gun. It has, oh for fuck's sake, your fucking phone won't focus. Come on, stop being a dick. So then it has a thread. Then basically, you know, you wind the rivnut on to that thread there, and then when you squeeze the handle, it pulls it in and concertinas that, so then you have a solid thing. So I do have the GoPro still set up, but the phone that runs it is dead, so I'm gonna have to try and do this one hand. So first thing I'm going to do is drill a hole in this. I'll get it, that's all I've got in here right now, so I'll drill the hole in the end for that. To do it properly, you need to actually measure it, Joey. You can't just do a random fucking hole. So that says 6.7. I'm going to go with a 7mm. It's a little bit of a clearance, and that should be fine. So I'm going to drill that out, get that in that vise, and then I'll be back to it. Right, so I've got my hole, and that literally just fits. Look, you actually want a tight gap, so that doesn't really flap around. I mean, it's pushing out, but doesn't flap around. So now, what you want to do, screw that onto there. Screw that on. Screw on, screw on, screw on, screw on. Once it's open, then put it in the hole. You do got to have strong hands, but you can do it. I mean, I've got tiny hands. So squeeze it a little bit. Screw in a little bit more. I've got this on my rib, Joey. Look, sandwiched. And you just unscrew it. Oh, come on. Oh, this is the longest thing in the world. And there you go. That's it. All sandwiched up there. Nice and solid. With one hand. See, I can do things with one hand, Joey. And I'm hoping that I've taught you something as well. I did have to use a rib to get a little bit of on it, but you know, you've got a little bit of an arm there. So hopefully you'll be able to use your rivnut. And yeah, everybody else, go check out Joey's channel, Mill Creek Fab Shop. Links in the description. Catch you later. Bye.